Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Kkakdugi Kimchi, a bold and crunchy Korean classic. Kkakdugi Kimchi is more than just a side dish, it's a crunchy, refreshing staple in Korean cuisine. Originating from the rich culinary traditions of Korea, this radish-based kimchi offers a vibrant twist compared to the more familiar cabbage kimchi. Its unique texture and flavor make it a beloved accompaniment, often served with rice, stews, or barbecued meats. But what makes Kkakdugi special? Unlike standard kimchi, which is typically fermented, Kkakdugi is enjoyed fresh and crisp. This taste and texture contrast brings a lively element to meals, enhancing the overall dining experience. In the following sections, we'll explore how to make this delightful dish and why it's a must-try for anyone seeking to expand their palate. Get ready to uncover the secrets of Kkakdugi Kimchi. History and cultural roots of Kkakdugi. Kkakdugi is not just food, it carries deep historical and cultural roots in Korean society. This radish kimchi reflects the culinary diversity of Korea and its traditions across centuries. Let's explore its origins and significance. Origins of Kkakdugi. Kkakdugi's history traces back to the Chosun dynasty, 1392 to 1897, a period when agriculture flourished in Korea. During this time, people sought ways to preserve fresh vegetables, and radishes became a popular choice due to their crunch and availability. The first written mention of Kkakdugi is found in Suojenseo, a cookbook from the late 19th century. This text highlights how Korean households would ferment radish into this refreshing dish. Over time, Kkakdugi evolved from a seasonal dish enjoyed during the radish harvesting period into a year-round staple. Its popularity soared as families adapted the recipe to include various spices and ingredients, ensuring that it suited regional tastes. The dish is typically made from diced white radish, salted, and seasoned with ingredients like chili powder, garlic, and ginger, contributing to its unique flavor profile. Each family had its twist on the classic recipe, making it a personal and cherished dish in homes across Korea. Cultural significance in Korea. Kkakdugi has secured its place in Korean dining culture, often enjoyed as a vital part of meals. Why is it so special? For one, it symbolizes hospitality. When hosting guests or gathering for celebrations, families often serve Kkakdugi alongside other banchan, side dishes, showcasing a well-rounded meal. This hospitable gesture reflects Korea's rich cultural values and tradition. Furthermore, Kkakdugi is a common feature during festive occasions. It's particularly popular during the Korean New Year and Chaseok, the harvest festival. During these times, families come together to celebrate with traditional dishes, and Kkakdugi adds an exciting crunch to the table. Its bright colors and vibrant flavors harmonize beautifully with other traditional foods, making it a feast for the senses. Not only is Kkakdugi cherished in homes, but it's also a favorite in restaurants. Many people associate this dish with comforting memories of dining out with family or friends. The bright, fresh taste of Kkakdugi enhances various meals, whether it's served with stews, fried rice, or grilled meats. In summary, Kkakdugi is more than just a dish, it embodies a tapestry of history and cultural importance in Korea, from its origins to its role in daily life and celebrations. Key ingredients and tools to make Kkakdugi. Creating delicious Kkakdugi requires a handful of essential ingredients and some handy tools. Each component plays an important role in not just taste, but also in developing the kimchi's signature texture. Here, we'll break down what you need for a successful batch of Kkakdugi. Radish, the core ingredient. At the heart of Kkakdugi is radish, specifically the Korean white radish known as mu. This crunchy vegetable delivers the right texture and absorbs flavors beautifully. When choosing your radish, go for a firm, unblemished one. Look for a heavy, white radish with a fresh appearance. Avoid those that show signs of softness or browning. The freshness of the radish makes a noticeable difference in the final product, providing that irresistible crispiness. If you can, try to source radishes from an Asian grocery store, as they often carry varieties suited for this dish. Remember, the right radish can elevate your Kkakdugi to another level, making it a standout side dish. Seasonings and spices. The unique flavor of Kkakdugi comes from a mix of seasonings and spices. Here are the main players. Gochugaru Korean chili powder adds heat and color. It's a key ingredient, giving Kkakdugi its signature kick. Use coarse gochugaru for texture, but adjust the amount based on your spice tolerance. Garlic brings a pungent, aromatic quality. It balances the milder taste of the radish and adds warmth to the dish. Generally, using about 4 to 6 cloves will provide a robust flavor without overwhelming the other ingredients. Fish sauce offers umami depth. While you might think of it as just salty, its savory notes enhance the overall flavor profile. A couple of tablespoons can make a noticeable difference. Sugar helps balance the spicy and salty elements, making for a more well-rounded taste. It doesn't take much, just a teaspoon or 2 will do the trick. Green onions add a fresh, herby note. They brighten up the mixture and bring additional texture. About 2 to 3 stalks should be enough. Using these ingredients will ensure your Kkakdugi is packed with flavor. When measuring, keep in mind that personal taste varies. Feel free to adjust ingredients to match your preferred flavor profile. Tools for preparation. To prepare Kkakdugi efficiently, you'll need a few essential tools. Sharp knife for chopping the radish into uniform cubes. Uniformity helps ensure even distribution of flavors. Cutting board provides a flat surface for cutting your radish safely and effectively. Mixing bowl necessary for combining your radish and seasonings. It lets you mix everything without making a mess. Gloves protect your hands when handling hot ingredients, especially gochugaru. Fermentation container. A clean jar or container with an airtight seal is ideal for fermenting your Kkakdugi. Glass jars work well, and you can easily monitor the kimchi inside. Having the right ingredients and tools makes the process smoother and more enjoyable. Once you gather these items, you'll be well on your way to making a delicious batch of Kkakdugi kimchi that impresses your family and friends. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.